Hi, Steve Moran with Axel Profit Systems. As part of our series on best SEO practices for 2013, today I want to talk to you about errors on your website. Errors on your website prevent Google and the other search engines from properly indexing the pages and images on your website. This means that competitors that have a better constructed website with fewer errors are always going to rank ahead of you and get customers that could be yours. Think of your website as an automobile. If your car's engine has oil leaks, timing issues, and bad gas in the tank, it's not going to perform very well, is it? Fortunately, with your car, you can feel or hear things that lead you to believe that your car isn't performing as well as it could, and you then take it to a mechanic to get it fixed. Just like a mechanic can plug a computer into your car and tell you what's wrong with it, we can do the same thing with your website. We can run a diagnostics report on your website that will show you errors in the following categories. Meta tags and title tags. These tags let the search engines know how to index each page and for what keyword that page will be found. Errors in this section are critical and must be corrected. The next section of your website that will be scrutinized is the content. This section will show us how many internal and external links each page has, along with the word count for each page. The search engines are looking for at least 300 words of original unique content per page. This section will also identify whether or not each page has duplicate content. Duplicate content can result in severe penalties from Google. The next section identifies issues with links on your website. It will show you how many links there are to each page, whether or not the links are broken, and the very critical area of text being used properly to identify each link. Correcting errors within this section can result in an immediate jump in rank in the search engines. The next area of your website we look at is the images. The images on your website need to be titled and use an alt text tag describing what the image is so the image can be indexed by the search engines. This is very important and often overlooked by website designers. Next, we're going to look at the semantic structure of each page of your website. This will tell us whether or not each page is using the H1, H2, and H3 tags to specifically identify what each page is about, and let us know if these tags are being used in the proper order. Errors in this area are critical and need to be fixed immediately if you want your website to be found for all of the keywords that are relevant to your business. The last section of the report will look at the time it takes for each page to load on your website and give you recommendations to help pages load faster. I can assure you that there are many errors on your website that need to be fixed. We would happy to run a complete report on your website that will show you exactly how many errors and what needs to be done to correct them. You can then give that report to your tech person to correct these issues. If for some reason they're not up to the task, please feel free to call us at 866-573-6776, and we'd be happy to help you correct the errors on your website, which will help you rank better and, most importantly, get you more customers. Thank you.